Tomato Tech is finally back with a new video and of course with a new mic, because my old one broke and I couldn't make a video on Tuesday, so I'm very sorry for that. But today a new video about this Bose Soundlink 2. Let's keep watching. So these are the Bose Soundlink 2, and compared to other headphones, they just look like shit. It's just plastic and they don't look like they would cost $200. So I don't like the design at all. But what I like about them is that you can adjust them how you want and they fit perfectly on my head. On one side you can find the battery and the Bluetooth indicator, as well as 3 buttons. Volume up, volume down and play pause, which also doubles as forward and backwards, depending on how you click it. The buttons feel solid but are not that easy to reach on the back side of the ear cup. Also on this side is the power switch, which also is used for pairing a new Bluetooth device. Underneath you can see a mesh where the microphone sits. As already said, the power on switch doubles as a Bluetooth pairing button. You can pair a new device by switching the switch all the way to the top to the Bluetooth icon. The microphone can be used for phone calls, but also for a voice assistant. The sound quality is okay and is perfect for phone calls. The headband, I think, is the only thing that is out of metal, and it is very sturdy. You can bend this thing like crazy and it won't break. Of course, the headband is adjustable to several sizes and it fits perfectly on my head. On the headband there is a cushioning which is very comfortable and soft, and I did not have any problems wearing these headphones for several hours. Also, the ear cups are very comfortable with the soft leather finish. Of course, these are no sport headphones, but I feel like the pressure on my ears is a bit too less because they fell off when I went to the gym, and I wouldn't use them for sport at all. For charging there is a micro USB port and not a Type-C, but I think this is normal in these kind of headphones. But for the price of $200 and more, I think a Type-C would have been better. And now to the most important part, of course, the sound quality, and this is just amazing. I really like the sound, it's very balanced and it's perfect for music, movies and much more. Battery life is around 10 to 15 hours, I think, because I normally use them when going to work, and this is 1 hour and 2 times a day, 5 days a week, so around 10 to 15 hours I think, so just perfect for me. Because they are pretty much the same as the QC35, I would recommend these if you don't want to spend the extra money and if you don't use the active noise cancelling. Except the build quality, I have to say the build quality is good, but the materials and so on, which don't really feel premium, I like everything about these headphones. So thank you again for watching and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you in the next one.